Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another Allianceblock Nxra video. This is the second time I'm making this video and I'm going to be posting it. I changed my laptop and I was having a bit of a hard time finding the settings, the sound settings, the mic volume, guys. I hope I've adjusted it in this video. So I think it's going to be audible in this one. I hope so, much more than the previous ones. So let us hope for the best. Anyways, guys, in this video, we're going to be diving in and on how Allianceblock Nxra is trying to become the backbone of tokenization, guys. So stay tuned, it's going to be an interesting one. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins. You guys can see which coins we usually discuss. We discuss these as well as other potential gems. So if you're interested, then make sure to subscribe for regular videos. Now, without further ado, let us first and foremost go and check out the price of Allianceblock Nxra at the time of the recording, when Allianceblock Nxra is priced at around $0.09492. And guys, you guys can see that in the past month, Allianceblock has been on fire. The price has been flying. And if you remember, I think in the last videos we were talking about Nexera. I think it was around here. I think, yeah, it was zero the in this area. I think 0.059, or no, I think it was 0.053 or somewhere around here. I mean, it was really undervalued at the time. Since that time, it has really performed well. You guys can see it. And if you look at the market cap, guys, it is only $72 million at the time of the recording, and fully diluted is $79 million, guys. Max supply 850 million, and for what Nexera is aiming to do, guys, it is trying to connect CeFi and DeFi as well as build a structure for tokenization. So it is tapping into trillions of dollars, guys. So 72 million is nothing in comparison to what it is aiming to do. So let us check out the tokenization progress as well. While we're at it, I wanted to show you guys this. Singapore, Japan, UK, Swiss regulators plan asset tokenization pilots. Project Guardian seeks to advance digital asset tokenization pilots for fixed income, foreign exchange, and asset management products. Uh, a, a viewer gave me a good idea that try and add news as well, the ongoing news of crypto, the relevant with the coin you're trying to discuss. So this was a good feedback. I really like good feedbacks and suggestions, guys. So you guys are encouraged to give constructive criticism as well as something that I can build upon. So this is why I'm planning to integrate real world news as well as with the coin that is relevant to it. So from this article, we can guys can decipher that there are countries that are now truly being interested in tokenization, guys. You guys can see Singapore, Japan, UK are big names. Regulators are being involved. A year ago, people just were talking about, or a few months ago, they were talking about tokenization. But now there are practical progress being happen. This is practical progress that is happening in real time. So yeah, regulators in Singapore, Japan, the UK, and Switzerland are planning asset tokenization tests for fixed income, foreign exchange, and asset management products. According to a Monday announcement, the Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS) has set up Project Guardian, a policymaker group that includes Japan's Financial Services Agency (FSA), the UK's Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), and the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority (FINMA) to advance cross-border collaboration in asset tokenization. You guys can read this article as well if you're interested. So even Hong Kong is involved, guys. Hong Kong regulator issues tokenized investments requirements amid demand. The intent behind the tokenization of SFC authorized investment products is tied to rising market demand and the government's willingness to facilitate market development. This was published on November 6, 2023, whereas this has been published on October 30th, 2023, guys. So yeah, you guys can see that tokenization is gaining steam. So who are the market leaders of tokenization in crypto? So guys, one of them, and dare I say, the backbone, one of the backbones is Allianceblock Nxra. This is where the idea of the title came, as the tokenization market gears up for a projected $16 trillion growth per BCG. The backbone lies in powerful platforms. Our Nexera Exchange will deliver a seamless and secure tokenized real-world asset trading experience backed by a robust liquidity framework and integrated compliance. So Nexera Exchange is going to be the platform where the tokenized real-world assets are going to be traded. It is going to be regulatory compliant. It is really and regulatory friendly, guys. Allianceblock is working with regulators with good names. It has good partners. Discover Nexera Exchange, elevating the DeFi landscape with a dedicated DEX for tokenized assets. Now, when the institutional money comes into the DEX, guys, basically DeFi, people are scared of DeFi, and Allianceblock is basically creating an ecosystem that is connecting DeFi and CeFi, the traditional finance with DeFi. It is trying to give assure and give guarantees to the centralized players that come to DeFi. It is a safe space, basically, and vice versa, connecting DeFi with CeFi. On-chain order books for tokenized assets, compliance with privacy at its core, high-speed, low-cost transactions, yield-generating opportunities for asset holders. Our founder and CEO, Rashid, emphasizes the transformative capabilities of Nexera Exchange for RWA markets. Our platform is geared to unlock authentic yield opportunities and streamline the trading of tokenized assets. The release of the Nexera Exchange, this is September 19th, sent shockwaves throughout the industry for its innovative trading features. Allianceblock founder and CEO Rashid dive deeper into the features that will set Nexera apart. Let us hear
What can investors, what can people who follow Allianceblock, what can they expect for the rest of 2023 from your team?
So we have fully on-chain order book. So this is really amazing. But then I think after 4 or 6 weeks, we will have like these 4 features. So we have staking enabled on-chain order book. So what is means staking enabled on-chain order book? It's beyond traditional order book mechanics, actually. So you will be able to leverage the concept of staking, okay, and orders. So I can stake my orders and I can get rewarded because I'm providing liquidity. But what is really amazing, it's completely delete the impermanent loss because you provided single-sided liquidity, and we have been speaking a lot, and finally we can do this. So it's single-sided liquidity provisioning in a non-chain order book by putting orders and staking them. So you can get fees, you can get basically rewarded, and you can get really incentivized to provide this liquidity in an order book setup, which is really the best of the mix between DEX and SEXes. The second one is the order trigger matching, which is something that is more classical, but it's not completely on-chain. The third one that is really exciting is the yield optimized staked orders. And what does it mean? I explained it quickly before, is that when you put an order and you are far from the spot, so we did one study and we discovered that in our centralized exchange, you have more than $300 million into Ethereum and Bitcoin that is just in orders that are completely passive, that are just locked. I want to sell it when it's 6,000. I forget it for 3 years. Okay, so it's just passive orders. So we decided to build this huge one, which is yield optimized staked orders. When you are incentivized, when you put an order far from the spot, and actually it will really generate yield because your money is going to other less risky, basically protocols where you can generate yield. And this is really good because you have mix between decentralized exchange, on-chain order book, and of course, all the DeFi primitives, lending, borrowing, and all these things. And then the last point, which is amazing, is the dynamic range order book provision. You take the idea of liquidity concentration of Uniswap V3 and you mix it and you can provide it basically into orders. So I can put an on-chain order where I say that I want to execute my order where it's between $1 and $1.05. Okay. But then it will automatically check where you have the max liquidity so you can have even more efficient price. So here we are really entering, I would say, the realm of DeFi, but completely revamping what is happening on the DeFi space. Third phase of the release, you can trade real world assets. So, and with these features, you can create.
So yeah, guys, from what I understand, and you guys can agree with it, that basically Allianceblock is trying to revamp DeFi, obviously, like he said, and these on-chain orders are going to be basically much more. It is going to be facilitating the traditional crypto users and the other investors that are not acquainted with what's happening in DeFi. So it is much more it is friendlier for the traditional players as well, and the institutional players. The interface is going to be attracting them more, and the combination of trading real world assets, now this is a game changer in this platform, because the Alliance Block is going to be regulatory compliant, guys. It is truly making headways. There are other projects as well that are claiming that, yeah, we're trying to basically restructure tokenization, and we're the platform for tokenization. But Allianceblock, obviously, there's not financial advice, because anything can happen to any project or company, guys. But in my opinion, the way they dealt with the hack as well, I think they are legitimately working to stay here for the long, long run, and basically be the key, the prime backbone, basically, which I am also said propounded in the title, that they aim to be the backbone of tokenization. They're providing that platform, guys. So yeah, they've also this article I would like to share with you guys. You guys can give this a read as well. I found this as well for you guys. This was published on September 15, 2023. Infrastructure and compliance will play a vital role in shaping tokenized markets. And this was the publisher's guest contributors, Nasdaq.com. This is none other than Rashid, guys, the CEO and the founder of Allianceblock, guys. He has presented that regulate how the complex regulations and liquidity are seen as the main limiting factors for the growth of tokenized assets, and he has explained how certain platforms can provide this. They can provide regulations, they can provide liquidity, they can provide assurance, the guarantee. However, the blockchain industry also needs to come up with reliable infrastructure, better data governance and management, as well as secure trading platforms to develop new asset markets via decentralization, guys. So via decentralization, they can provide these platforms which institutional investors as well as the traditional players can also use for real world asset trading and other commodities, guys. All in all, decentralized tokenized markets give us a picture of how blockchain can truly revolutionize the financial landscape and unite the capital market with the money market. Connecting CeFi, DeFi, like I said, friendly regulations are just the beginning. So this is great that Allianceblock is working with regulations. Furthermore, reliable infrastructure for tokenization. They're providing that reliable infrastructure. The ever-growing, ever-evolving financial space brings the need for up-to-date infrastructure, which serves as the backbone for any thriving market, guys. So yeah, the Allianceblock is trying to build that foundation, guys. Scalability and interoperability are also pivotal in hosting a diverse range of assets and different blockchain protocols. So they're being interoperable, meaning that they can basically connect various blockchains as well, and different range of assets, data management and governance for efficiency and security. In the digital age where everything is data, it is safe to say any tokenized market, or any market for that matter, without a robust data management system is bound to fail. So they're trying to build a good, robust data management system as well. Financing for sustainability. Tokenized markets are made to remove colossal entry barriers and give promising projects with tiny resources a fighting chance. Decentralized platform for seamless trading. So yeah, uh, they're working with regulators so that they do not face problems in the future, guys. Say regulations have become friendly, and we have built a reliable infrastructure with top-notch data management while introducing next-gen funding mechanisms to foster inclusivity. Now we need to place where the actual trading happens, guys. So their decentralized exchange, the Nexera Exchange, is going to be doing that, guys. Basically, which are built on blockchain and operate through smart contracts. With a strong DEX that operates on a distributed network, tokenized markets can mitigate single points of failure and gain resistance against censorship and regulatory interference, guys. So basically, they're providing people the opportunity to invest in real world assets, the tokenized assets, while being regulatory friendly. Road to the decentralized tokenized markets, guys. This is the author bio. Rashid is a serial entrepreneur and expert in the fields of DeFi, quantitative analysis, and data science. As the co-founder and CEO of Allianceblock, he drives the development of decentralized infrastructure for major blockchain networks. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Do you guys think that Allianceblock is going to be the backbone or the hub of tokenization in the future with their platform, the Nexera Protocol or Nexera Exchange, as well as other product suites? Do you think that working with regulators, what do you suggest that is Allianceblock truly becoming the front runner, basically the backbone of tokenization? Hit the comment box below for what you think about Allianceblock Nxra. It has performed good in the charts though. And the entire market has performed well due to Bitcoin as well. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And do hit the notification bell for notifications as well. And if you're interested in any of these other coins, make sure to subscribe the channel as well. So, like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.